Hello, everybody. Zaramaru here, and I may or may not be slightly inebriated right now. Um, that's a long story, but I have gotten 4 mini boxes of Legendary Duelist Season 1, and let's see what we can pull. Let's see, and we got Cocoon of Ultra Evolution as our first secret. Not the one I wanted, to be perfectly honest. And a double-sided art card, we got, ironically, Weevil Underwood to go with it. There are 7 secrets you can get, which are on the back of this. I really need I wouldn't mind another one of those. Ancient Gear Fusion, Red Eye Slash, or Baby. Those are the ones I prefer getting. You get 2 colored Ultras, and an Ultra for the preview of Rise of the Duelist. And yeah, you get a lot of cards. Tune Summon Skull, Red Eyes Darkness Dragon, Ancient City Rainbow Ruins, Red Eyes Insight, Legendary Fisherman 2, Toon Dark Magician Girl, Rainbow Gravity, Black Dragon's Chick. I keep forgetting, Red Eyes Black Dragon cards no longer have the... It's no longer an initial. It's actually the full name. Cyber Dark Impact, Rainbow Dart Dragon, Citadel Whale with the green text, Crystal Bond, and Melfi Rabbit. Ironically, I do not need any more Crystal Bond. Cross-Dimensional Duel, Toon Cannon Soldier for my friend Ray, Ancient Gear Golem, Ultimate Pound, Cyber Darkness Dragon, and Rainbow Path. I'll keep the Toon card set aside. On to pack number 2. I am currently drinking because I had my days changed off, and I have tomorrow off, which is actually my birthday. So I kind of already started drinking and forgot that I had these to open up. We have Vehicle Roy Mobile Base, Toon Alligator, Illusionist Faceless Magician, Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise, Toon Defense, another Crystal Bond, and another Relinquished Fusion. I say another because I do have 3 copies of that. And Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon, because you have all the Gaia support coming out. Crystal Release, Red Eyes Insight, Ancient Gear Golem, Red Eyes Darkness, Meteor Black, Ancient Gear Frame, Black Metal Dragon reprint, Manga Rerun, Cyber Dark Dragon, and Parasite Paranoid. Keep those up there. I wouldn't mind more copies of Red Eye's Darkness Metal. Sadly, it has the errata, but, well, still a good card. And Millennium Eyes Restrict. A little Toon Ancient Gear Golem there. And we got Joey Wheeler. Nice. I kind of like this set overall. It's actually something... I'm pretty sure they're probably going to do this with every Legendary Duelist set, which is good, because reprints are expensive. Oh, no. The cards are expensive, so reprints aren't necessary. I'm not myself. Metamorphosed Insect Queen as a common. Sapphire Pegasus. Crystal Release, Rainbow Ruins, Toon Dark Magician Girl, Mixeroid, Relinquished, Connection Zone, Rage of Karyu Shin, Amazoness Call is the purple, Ancient Gear Megaton Golem is with the purple art. That's actually fitting. Another of Melfi Rabby, Cyber Darkness Dragon, Crystal Conclave, Toon Barrel Dragon, Crystal Abundance, Amazoness Princess. I have actually opened these up, just not on camera. My phone's always been dead, to be honest, lately. Super Vehicleroid Mobile Base, Toon Alligator, Faceless Magician, Tortoise, Toon Defense, Amazoness Baby Tiger, Ultimate Crystal Magic, Crystal Dragon, Murderoid Call, Counter Gem, Toon Mass Sorcerer, Proton Blast, I know he needs another one of those, Toon Ancient Gear Golem, Toon Buster Blader, Ruby Carbuncle, Connection Zone, Cards of the Redstone, Rainbow Dark Dragon. I know he's gonna like those Amazoness cards. Me, anything with, I guess Ancient Gear, Red Eyes, Pegasus is what I'm looking. Also the Cyber Darkness cards. Never did get lucky with those. Oh, that's a nice sight to see. I need 2 more of these, sadly. And we have another one of Weevil. Toon Barrel, Rainbow Refraction, Retro, Cyber Darkness, Red Eyes Black Dragon with green art. Again, it would always say Red Eyes B Dragon. It would never have that in there. Toon Table of Contents. Another Cursive Dragon. That Red Eyes will go into my Red Eyes deck. Insight, Fisherman 2, Meteor Black, Counter Gem, Frame, Cyber Dark Edge, Ancient Gear Reactor. Okay. Haven't seen another Red Eyes Darkness Metal since my other packs off camera. Red Eyes Darkness, Gear, Blackstone Legend, Good Common, reprint, but I actually have a playset of the Hollow. Meteor Black, Black Skull, Sea Stealth Attack, Black Metal Dragon, Topaz Tiger, Malefic Red Eyes Black Dragon, Amazoness Baby Tiger, Rainbow Over Dragon, Machina Scavenger, Crystal Conclave, Toon Barrel Dragon, Crystal Abundance, Amazoness Princess. He's gonna enjoy the Toon Amazoness Baby Tiger. Heaven knows as I don't even remember if he has them or not. I know for Toon wise, I think I got all the cards he needed. Except for the new ones that were in Toon Chaos. I didn't get all of the ones I needed for him, and that ain't gonna happen with the pricing on them. Sad to say. But he doesn't play in tournaments. He just does it as a collector's hobby. Alright, the last one is another Cocoon Ultra Evolution. Not what I wanted, but okay. With Pegasus. 2 of the secrets were good, 2 were meh. Insight, Toon Gemini Elf, Metamorphose Insect Queen, Pegasus Release, Cyber Dark Impact, Cyber Dark Edge, Black Skull Dragon, Frame. Ooh, Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon, Millennium Eyes Illusionist, Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. I've actually gotten a few of those. I actually have a playset of those. Rainbow Dragon, Amethyst Cat, Barrel Dragon, Emerald Tortoise, and Red Eyes Wyvern. Also a good reprint. We have our last pack. Can I get another Red Eyes Darkness Metal? I would love one of those. It's a common, and it's actually really seems to be hard to pull. Toon Mermaid, Toon Ancient Gear Golem, Corrosive Scales, Black Illusion Ritual, Counter Gem. There we go, Red Eyes Darkness Metal. I'll move that to the side. Time Machine, Amazon's Onslaught, Inferno Fire Blast, Sea Stealth Attack, Toon World Alternative Art. This was also hard to pull. I have Simply Unlucky's box. I don't think he pulled a single one out of a case. So, yeah. Another F Ancient Gear Megaton Golem. Another Makita Resavenger. Move those there. Amethyst Cat. Rare Value. Rainbow Refraction. Rainbow Dragon. And Barrel Dragon. So, let's see. I did not organize these very well. Most of the ultras tend to be more of the same, if I'm going to be fair. Resavenger, Curse of Dragon, Red Eyes Black. Like, these are probably the two that I didn't see other than once. Baby Tiger, Ultimate Crystal Magic. I needed the third one of these, which is nice. Another Cursed, Melfi Rabby, Amazon's Call, Megaton Golem, the Cursed Dragon, Relinquished Fusion, Crystal Bond. Another one, Citadel Whale, Crystal Bond. I think I got two. Machina Resavenger, another Baby Tiger, Over Dragon, Flare Metal, Illusionist, and yeah. Plus the other second Toon World, which I will add to this. Really nice, actually. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing it. I probably had a little bit more spunk in me due to the alcohol, but I need to be able to do more like this without the alcohol. But either way, till next time, this is Zaramaru, everybody. Have yourselves a fantastic day. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know down below if you'd like any other similar videos. And until next time, Drunk Zar out.